Now, for finding the derivative of f of x equals square root of 3x by limit process. So the way of finding the derivative of the functions right now is just same as we are finding the slope of the tangent line. So we apply the limit definition. So to find the derivative of this, we're gonna have to do slope of the secant line. So we're gonna say is f prime of x gonna equal to limit of x approaching to 0, f of x per h minus f of x over h. And we putting x per h into everywhere we see an x in our function. So we have limit of x approaching to 0, square root of 3 times x per h minus square root of 3x all over h. Okay, and again, this is the radical expression involved. So we're gonna have to multiply the conjugate, which is when this is negative, we're gonna multiply something exactly the same with the positive. So we're gonna have square root of 3 times x per h, and then plus square root of 3x, all over the same thing, plus square root of 3x. Okay, we want to put everything that we multiply in the parenthesis so we don't miss any multiplication step. All right, and then now the top, the numerator, apply the difference of quotient. You have a minus b times a plus b equal a squared minus b squared. So my limit of x approaching to 0 will be 3 times x per h because the radical will be gone minus 3x. Okay, so when I have square root of 3 times x per h squared, the radical will be cancelled by the square, so you have no more radical. Same thing for the square root of 3x term. And then now we're gonna divide by x times. And now you're gonna have limit of x approaching to 0. Simplify this expression by multiply the 3 into the parenthesis. I have 3x per 3x minus 3x and all over this. And then the 3x get cancelled. And look like the h can be also cancelled. So turn out our limit will become limit of x approaching to 0, 3 over square root of 3 times x per h per square root of 3x. Okay, so when the h in the denominator of the difference of quotient gone, you can put in the h approaching to 0 into this. So I will end up having 3 over square root of 3x per square root of 3x. So that gives me 3 over 2 square root of 3x. So that's going to be my derivative of the function f of x equal square root of 3x.